Welcome friends to VG Creativity World. Today I am showing how to do star stitch. For that, first you can see I have made a star diagram. So there are 6 triangles you can see. So we will go like this straight. See like this. So put the needle down and come to the either move clockwise or anti-clockwise and take the needle to the next second one. Then again see straight, so put the needle down and come to this or means next. We are moving clockwise, so that we have to remember. See like this. Okay, again see straight like this you can see. So put down the needle here and again come to this tip. See again see the straight like this here. So go down, means put the needle down and come to this. See. Okay, again see straight like this. So put down the needle and come to this. Now see again straight. So here go down. Okay, so I will start from here. See, I have taken the needle of this is right, so left hand side. Now just pay. After that star is made, come to again any one corner. Okay, now see straight, I will put like this and again I will go to the right hand side of this, but we have to move slowly down. Okay, so see tip, I am going little down of that tip. See, okay, that we have to remember. So we will get a star stitch. See now. Okay, now again see like this. So put the needle, see straight, so put the needle here. Always you have to see the direction straight. Okay, and come to this. See little down. See, not tip but on the little down or the matching to this stitch. See like this. Okay, now again see straight like this. So here needle will go down and here it will come here, but not on the tip, little, because we have to move little down. See, okay, again see, you can see straight like this you do. So put the needle down, not at the tip, down, and see here this stitch once is there, so parallel to that you can take out. See the here, so here, and just pull out. Easy, but it looks, after filling it looks very beautiful. Again see straight, so put the needle down here. See straight like this also you can see straight. So put here needle down and come to here. See, see here we have to come always parallel to this stitch. Okay, now again see straight, so put the needle down. See this, so here I will put down and see like this. I will show one by one. So I will now put the needle here. See, matching to this. See like this. Okay, now see again straight, you see like this. So I will put the needle. See, I am moving little down, first tip then low. See, otherwise you have to see like this straight. So here it will be down. Okay, so here I am putting down and I will come to this place. See like this. Then again see again this cloth got twisted because rotation. See again straight, we have to see straight like this. See like this. So now the needle will be going here and I will come to this place. See, like this. Again go here straight, you see, go down here and you will come here. See, okay. Then again see, like this straight. Every time you can keep this straight and come to the next and see the direction also, that you are going little down, means like this mountain shape. See, like this. Then again see straight, so go down here and come to here. See, matching to this. So again see straight, then put the needle down here and you will come here. See, here. Okay. Again see straight, you see, like this. So here it will go down and I will come to here. Now see again. See straight, like this. So put down here and you will come here. See, like this. Again see straight, you see, like this. So put the needle down and come here. See, like this. Again see straight, like this. So put the needle down and come to this. See, like this. Or from here also straight you can see, like this. See, again straight, you see, straight. So straight means here I have to put needle down, and here straight it will come here. See, straight we have to do. Again see, from here straight, so here I have to put, and from here straight it will go here. See, like this. Again you see straight. I will just get twisted because we are rounding. Okay. Now again you see straight, so it will go here. Okay. Straight, like this. I have done mistake, so you can see here straight. So here and from here you have to move straight, like this. So it will, the needle I will take out. See, this needle also you have to see the straight direction. See, like this. Again see straight, like this. So here I will put down and straight here it will come. See, here. And again see straight, so here. Now straight here, one more it will come, and when it is filled automatically there will be no space. So I kept little gap for making understand. See, now it is filled. I am putting down. See, it looks like this, and this is known as starfish. Little gap I kept to make you understand. It is closely filled, so it looks like this. This is our star stitch. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.